Are surveys for money sites real? The short answer is yes. There are plenty of easy survey sites so you can make money in your free time. In today's video, we will show you some of the best and highest paying survey sites. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars has a good blend of surveys available, offering different kinds of surveys, fun social engagement, and earning transparency. As with Swagbucks, you do need to qualify for the surveys, and there is a survey pre-screener you need to complete to make you a part of the target audience. You can get updates to your email when offers are available so you don't miss out on any opportunities to make money. If you like to play games online and want a variety of fun activities to earn some cash, this might be the best survey site for you. You can earn points, which equals about $0.50 to $5 per survey. Life Points. Join a community of more than 5 million members in more than 70 countries who share their opinions about products and services every day. Life Points claims its members inspired such products as anti-lock brakes, baby and toddler safety car seats, and even cash reward credit cards. The company sends you surveys by email, and you get to decide whether to participate. Occasionally, you'll get diaries where you'll record your activities, behavior, or habits. You might also get free products to try. Topics include sports, travel, health, and many other aspects of daily life. Rewards are pretty sweet too. You can pick from hundreds of options in the Life Points catalog, including getting cash through PayPal. Other options include Amazon, iTunes, and Starbucks. You can even donate your points to charity. Survey Junkie. Do you want to help developers and brands come up with the best products? Ever get frustrated with a product you bought that isn't 100% amazing? Survey Junkie and many companies want your opinion. It's another top pick for us personally, because the site is user-friendly and the payout is good per survey. After registering, you build your profile so you are matched with surveys that fit your interests. Similar to Swagbucks, because it's nice not to waste your time. Most surveys will earn you $1 to $3 per survey, and you'll earn points quickly. 500 points equal $5. It comes down to about $0.01 for each point. MyPoints.com. This is also a popular website. You'll earn gift cards for answering surveys, watching videos, taking polls, and doing other activities, such as shopping. There is also a $10 welcome bonus, but you have to spend $20 or more on the site, not counting taxes and shipping, on a merchant through the website or through MyPoints emails in your first 30 days of membership. Still, if you're buying something you were going to buy anyway, that's not a bad welcome offer. Toluna Influencers. Toluna Influencers lets you pick the topics you'd like to take surveys on. Although this may make the platform more interesting, the payment opportunities aren't that impressive. For each survey, you will earn between 15 and 50,000 points. You may not see the points credited to your account for several days. Unfortunately, your points will expire after being in your account for 12 months. With that, it's important to spend your points relatively quickly. As you redeem points, you will be able to choose from cash via PayPal and several gift card options. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.